In this video, I'll show you how to fold your rear seat of your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport or RVR. First, find this small tab on the side of the seat and simply pull on it, and at the same time bring the backrest down the way I just did. If the seat belt is in the way, you can pass it on the side. Okay, just like that. So it's not in the way of any object you're gonna put. The good thing is that you can do this from the trunk, so if you need additional space, you can from here simply press this small button and push the whole backrest in place. This way you're gonna have a flat floor and you can load many bigger items this way. Now when it's time to put them back, simply I suggest to slam them back. You need to make sure that they're staying locked in place. So yeah, give it a good tap like that. Let's do the other side, and this one didn't lock fully, and I'll just show you something. You need to make sure that the seat belt is not blocking and is not, you see, in the way, because this could be very dangerous. If the seat is not locking in position, you're in an accident and it comes flying down. So just pass the seat belt right there, it has a small spot, and you'll be good to go. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.